gang, what's poppin'? Hey, it's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. Today, we are going to work on the dash again. I know, it's been a while. Your boy kind of was discouraged. Right now, we're in the process of putting the fiberglass mat on this fleece. This fleece has a one coat of resin on top. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pray, we're gonna hope, and we're gonna get it done, y'all. We're gonna make sure this thing get right. I know last time it was coming up a little bit, but Sprayway, he went down in the comment section and let your boy know I can actually soak it. And what I'm gonna try to do also is just put a big piece right here. Try to start out, just with a big piece and try to see if that make it a little bit easier for me to lay it down or whatever. But I don't know. That really doesn't sound like it's gonna make it any easier. But we're gonna try to see what it do, man. Try to get it right. Like I say always, go down in the comment section, praying hands for your boy. We're gonna get this thing done. Let's get to work. Boy, that put a lot of strain on your back, man. Hey, I need to get something a little bit higher than that. Because, boy, that put a big strain on my back. And as y'all can see, I got it to lay down, but I still have a lot of air pockets, man. So, I guess that's going to be eliminated when I put another layer of fiberglass on here. And shoot, you're just gonna have air pockets, man. I believe with fiberglass, that's just how it's gonna be, And right here, shoot, this junk don't want to stay down. I probably shouldn't even did that curve like that, cause all I want to do is stay up. But we'll see how it dries, and then we can go from there. But Sprayway was right when he was talking about trying to lay this thing down as smooth as possible, hitting it with 80 grit. I would definitely do that if you did what I did. I had a little bit more plush of fleece, so you see those kind of ripples in there. I believe that's where the air pockets are coming from. Is y'all, if y'all can see, you know, those lifted parts, those are gonna be air pockets. So if you're using like not as plush, the real cheap fleece, then I think you wouldn't have to hit it with the 80 grit like that. But I'm gonna see if I can do this other side like that to try to see if I can eliminate a lot of these bubbles. And oh yeah, that's gonna be a problem right there. But hey, we're gonna get it situated, man. I'm gonna continue to try to use my chip brush and try to get some of these air pockets out as best I can. And actually the soaking method did real good, man. I soaked the bottom of it, as you can see in the video, with the resin. And then I put a layer down here and then I press it down on there. And then I use my chip brush to pat it down. And it worked pretty decent, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a lot better than that last time what happened, man. Boy, y'all don't want to see what happened there, boy. No! No! The boy messed up big time. But okay, look, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna sand this down. Y'all will see in the next clip. We'll get it going. We'll get it going. All right.
Stop it. Get some help.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? Y'all see this weather, man? Oh, Lord have mercy. I know that shouldn't get me all down in the dump, but that junk had me throw it all off, man. If y'all in the South, especially in the Southeast, man, we been getting flooded, boy. This is like every day, man. Every day. But yeah, I've started back on this joker, man. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, I got my first layer of the fiberglass mat down. I felt like with me putting the big pieces of fiberglass on, it went on a lot smoother, less air bubbles. That's what I did on this side. On this side, I did the little small pieces. You know, your boy did his best. As you can see, you know, there's some big bubbles right up in here, air pockets. But, you know, everything is getting, you know, real solid, actually laying down compared to last time. If y'all were here last time, boy, y'all know it was all jacked up. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put a second layer of this fiberglass on. And then we're gonna sand it down. Then we're gonna put that Rondo Bondo down that that stuff that Sprayway told us about. But hold on, I don't know. I might do it this video. I might do it the next video. But yeah, we'll find out. Let's get to work. All right, gang. It took me 3 years to get to this point, but I finally got there. Sprayway, I don't know how you do it, bro, but you the GOAT, man. I know you do it a lot, man, but man, this is tough. Here we go, y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got 2 layers of fiberglass resin down. This boy is hard as a rock. Man, it's actually heavy too, man. It's heavier than it was. As you can see, these vents, I'm gonna have to do some work to it. I know I kind of did a step kind of backwards. I think you're supposed to do the little the Bondo glass to try to go around the edges so it'll be smooth and seamless, but I think I kind of messed up on that. But I get that thing right, you know. Sprayway, he showed me how to do that on that video. I'm gonna link it up here on the left hand corner so you guys can check it out, so you can get an amazing how-to. Cause my man, hey, he do great work, man. Do real great work, man. But hey, hopefully you guys liked the video. It took me forever. I know it took forever, but hey, I'm trying to make sure I do it decent, you know what I'm saying? And plus the weather, as y'all can see, man, it's just been so gloomy and just cold, man. And it take a while for that resin to sit up, and yeah, it just takes a while, y'all. Take a while. But like I said, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, man. And when you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get all the heat that we drop, man. We try to drop every day during the week. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed one. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych!
Got a whole lot of money, whole lot of money. Look at this dental man with dental grill.